I have been managing businesses for years now, and I have seen it all from high revenue months to no revenue month and making costly mistakes as a business owner as well. And over the years, I have learned a ton of things. So in this video, I'm going to share everything I know about managing and operating a small business under just 10 minutes for you. Early in my career, I didn't fully understand the importance of cash flow management. There were times when my business was profitable on paper, but I struggled with cash flow issues. By diving deep into financial fundamentals, I learned how to properly manage cash flow. This stabilized my business and allowed it to grow sustainably. Second, strategic marketing. When I first started, my marketing efforts were scattered around all over and not very effective at all. Learning the basics itself took a lot of time. Marketing is not just about creative, right? It is identifying the target audience, crafting value propositions, and analyzing ROI, and how it transformed my approach about the campaigns which we could run from no budget to low budget and for better engagement and high returns on my marketing investments. 3. Building efficient operations. Operational inefficiency leads to delays, frustration, and learning about operations management and process optimization and creating proper SOPs. I was able to streamline the workflow and reduce cost and improve customer satisfaction, which is more important. So operational efficiency will give you a competitive advantage and will also help you to build the trust of the customers. If we mishandle the operations, there's a lot of things which will not fall on place, including the delivery, the promised things like that. Importantly, we need to learn to understand how do we manage people operations and the service operations and financial operations, and to understand where the roadblocks are and where the bottlenecks are and what would the strategies we could implement. And the entire company has to work in sync, and to make that happen, the operational management to run the company smoothly and efficiently. 4th, negotiating. Negotiation is not about getting a better deal or getting the right price point or things like that. There would be a lot of negotiation you would be doing operating the business itself. Let it be negotiating within your team, getting their buy-in to do things, negotiating with customers for not just for the cost or price, but also for the time frame and the value you're gonna give, and also negotiating with your vendors, negotiating on your payment terms, on accounts receivables and payables, everything. This negotiating skills will complement you to run efficiently and also complements the operational efficiency as well. Sales practice. Practicing your sales call again and again and again is really important. So you need to start with a small talk, whatever. Everybody have a different sales call strategies. There are a couple of strategies which are there. The strategy which I follow is I'm not a hardcore salesperson by profession, but I am more a delivery and a solution person. So when I go to a sales call, I talk more about the solution and the benefits it's gonna give to the customers. I don't talk much about the features or the services we offer. It would be like blowing our own trumpet, and of course we are gonna offer those features and benefits, right? That's why they are the call in the first place. So I strongly believe that customers would love to hear how our services or products are going to benefit them to solve their problem or to improve their business or to make their life easier, right? Understand what customer is looking, and on the call you have to judge which feature of yours or which service of yours could solve that particular 1, 2, 3 problems of the customer, and how it's gonna benefit them and what results they're gonna see. And if you have any social proof before, which means you have done for any other customer before, talk about that. 6th tip, the most important one, is to have a goal from the start. The goal from start sets you a clear direction. A clear goal from the beginning acts as your business North Star to give you direction, gives you clear sense of direction, and helps you prioritize your task and aligns your effort with your long-term vision, and to accomplish that vision, what all you have to achieve as well. Otherwise, it's very easy to get lost and get distracted. We derail from the vision what we have, and we seek different opportunities, because there will be different opportunities coming looking up to us when we are in business, right? So even for me, I've done that similar mistake in the past. Set up a clear vision in the beginning itself and don't just set it up and forget it. Keep reviewing it. See how it is shaping up every time when you take any business decision. You'll be setting up a team or hiring a team or starting a vertical or firing a person. How this is going to impact your vision and how long it's going to take. Having this vision blueprint and sticking to the plan will help you a lot to achieve your business goals much faster, even during the bad times. At least you wouldn't have that stress or distraction to reach your goal. 7th tip is focus on your offer. Your offer is the core of your business. It's what you are presenting to your potential clients or customers as a solution to their problem. So the answer to their need. So it has to be like well crafted offer and clearly communicates the value and differentiates you from the competitors as well. If you take my staffing business as an example, most of the companies' biggest frustration is identifying the candidate, the right resource with highly experienced qualified candidates within the budget they have, and also even though they identify them, the onboarding process, the background checks, the time it takes to onboard them, that's their fear and frustration. And if I could able to provide a solution that I'm not just bringing the candidate, a qualified candidate, but also I'm making sure the onboarding process is smooth and the candidate joins the project and make sure guarantee replacement if the candidate is not sticking for at least 3 months. So what is the guarantee I'm giving? So this gives a peace of mind for my clients. Tip 8. Create content. Consistently creating and sharing valuable content positions you as an authority in your industry. It's a way to educate your audience, showcase your expertise, and build trust over time. Content not only attracts potential customers but also strengthens your brand presence and visibility in the market. When I started business, I was mostly focusing on the core business. I was putting all my time and effort on how to run the business, how to operate the business, how to raise funds, this itself most of my time, and I was tired after a point. But how much ever you do business, even to introduce yourself, what you do or your business do, if you don't have a solid content or an opinion from business perspective of you individually or your business, not everybody is comfortable going onto a camera and talking, right? But you can write your opinion page, so you can have your team understand your value on your services and write blog contents for you, which will in fact help you in SEO as well. So content creation from day one is really important. So let's assume weekly one content you do, so one blog post you write, and you can reuse that blog post in different formats and post it in LinkedIn and Twitter and Meta, wherever you can. And in a year, you'd be having 52 articles, right? It's going to help you in SEO, and also it's going to be a good lead magnet as well. It's going to showcase your business and you as the industry expert and subject matter expert as well. So start creating content from day one. A business is much more than just its products or services. It's about the people who bring those offerings to life. A great team is the backbone of any successful business. It drives innovation, execution, and customer satisfaction also. Without a strong, cohesive team, even the best business ideas can falter. The right team not only helps you to achieve your goals, but also makes the journey more sustainable, enjoyable, and building a great team can transform your business. So it transformed my business from a solo venture to a collaborative effort. It wasn't just about hiring the people to do tasks. It was about bringing the individuals together and share the same passion. When I started initially, it was just me, and sometimes my wife used to help a lot. For me, it's like a free labor for me, but it's not sustainable. So a strong team is my backbone. So the most important thing is training the team, spending time with the team, so that your values, your passion, your vision, and where you want to take this company to, what it has to mean to everyone, and what would their career would be if they stay longer You have to start discussing all these things with your team members, and the next hires they do, they should keep all these things in mind. So you start spending most of your time with the team, at least at the early stages, which is really important. Tip 10, and you would be surprised and shocked to hear: fire yourself as business owner. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day operations, but this can limit your ability, your business ability, your team's ability to grow and come up with good strategy or innovating things. So fire yourself, which I mean is like delicate stuff. It frees up your time so that you can focus more on strategy or expansion or thinking of something else. But step in when it's really important, when it's very crucial, so that you can step in and solve or give a helping hand to your team, not to boss around, right? So don't get caught up in day-to-day operation, and this can definitely limit your ability to grow and strategize. Follow these 10 tips, which will help you to manage your business efficiently and also grow and scale your business, and most importantly, operate in autopilot. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video and you might want to watch the easiest ways to get new clients right now, just click the link above and you will get access to that video. Enjoy the video, stay inspired. See you all soon. Thank you.